Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 10.2 question number 12. A triangle ABC is drawn to the circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that the segment BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D. So this is a point of contact D that is split by the line is given. So the diagram also mentioned in your book itself. Now here we need to find the side AB and AC. So AB side and AC side we need to find. So what are all the given values of the diagram? We'll write it here. So given is CD is 6 centimeter is given. CD is equal to 6 centimeter and DB is equal to 8 centimeter. DB is equal to 8 centimeter and here they have mentioned that radius of the circle is 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter we can say. So radius equal to 4 centimeter. So all these three are given in the diagram. Now we are going to construct. Without construction we cannot finish this diagram. Now we are going to construct. What is the construction we are going to do is, here we are just going to connect the C with our O and our A is also with O we are going to connect. And the B also we have to connect with our center. So we have connected all A, B, C with the center. So that's what join A, B and C with center. So that is our construction we did now. Now after the construction, now the whole triangle is divided into three triangles. The first triangle is AOC, the next triangle is BOC, the next triangle is AOB. The whole triangle is divided into three triangles now. Now if you want to find the area of the whole triangle, we can add the areas of all the small triangles, right? Now that's what I am going to write it here. Before writing this, so tangents from the external points are always equal. Suppose C is my exterior point. Here we are getting to point of contact. We'll take some name. So D, this is E and this is F. Let us take now. Now here CD is 6 centimeter. Definitely CF also will be 6 centimeter only because CD is a tangent. CF is also a tangent. So since the tangents length are equal, we can write it CF is equal to 6 centimeter. Same way here B is external point. BD is 8 centimeter. Definitely BE is also will be 8 centimeter. Here also it will be 8 centimeter we can write. So B is equal to 8 centimeter we got. Now we don't know the value of these two parts. So let us consider this is X, this is also X only. So AF is X, A is also X. That alone we don't know, that we need to find out. If you complete the X value, your problems gets over. Now without finding area we cannot finish the X value. So now we are going to find the area. Area of the whole triangle we are going to find by two methods. One method is we need to find the area by normal area formula. The another way we need to use a Heron's formula to find the area. Now first by usual way. So two ways we are going to use. This is a usual way. Area will be denoted by AR. Area of the whole triangle, that is ABC, which is equal to, we can say that area of AOC plus, this is AOC plus area of COB plus area of BOA. So all the small triangles COB, BOA, AOC, all these triangles area is added means the whole triangle area you can get it very easily. So area of any triangle. So area of the triangle we have a formula half into base into. So here we are going to apply this formula for all these three triangles. So let area of ABC, let's keep as it is, which is equal to, first we need to write the area of AOC. So AOC half into base into height. Half will come as it is. AOC is a triangle is here. For this AOC, what is a base means? 6 plus x is my base. 6 plus x is my base. Write it 6 plus x into height. Height is nothing but your OF. OF is a height, that is nothing but radius of the circle. So that we can write it as 4. Plus Next one, area of COB I should write. Again, half into COB base. This is my COB. COB base is 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. So base we can write it as 14. Multiple by height of this triangle is again the radius 4 only. So 4 plus area of BOA. BOA is this triangle. Again the base is 8 plus x. Height is again radius of the circle 4 only. So half into base will be 8 plus x and multiple by 4. So we have 3 terms. All these 3 terms we have 1 by 2 and 4 is common. So let us take it outside now. So here we are getting it. Half and half we are taking outside, and multiplication 4 also we are taking outside. The remaining term here in the first term only 6 plus x will be pending, plus in the second term only 14, plus in third term 8 plus x is a remaining value. So this and this will get cancelled 2 times. So 2 into inside we have 6 plus 14 is 20, 20 plus 8 is 28 plus 2x we are getting here. Now, so here finally we are getting area of the triangle ABC, which is equal to, here already we have one 2 outside. From these two also 2 table is common. Take it one more 2 outside. So 2 2s are 4. Here we have taken the 2 outside, remaining will be 14. Plus here we have taken the 2 outside x. So 4 into 14 plus x is the area of the whole triangle. The same triangle will go by the another method to find the area. Here we are going to use the Heron's formula. This you may learnt in your 9th standard. Heron's formula we have actually area is equal to, so area of the triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Here our s value will be written as half of the perimeter, that is a plus b plus c by 2. This is our s value. So let's find the s value first. S is equal to 3 sides of the triangle. A is my first side. 6 plus 8 is 14. So A is 14. So here we write it all the 3 sides now. A is equal to, this is my A side. 6 plus 8 is 14. B is equal to this side 6 plus x. 6 plus x. And C is my this side 8 plus x. Here the alphabet which is coming opposite to C, you take it as C. Opposite to B, we are taking as C. Opposite to A, we are taking as A. If you are changing and taking also, no problem, you will be getting the correct answer. So first we are finding S. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So A value 14, B value 6 plus x and C value 8 plus x, and divided by 2 we have to write. Now 14 plus 6 20, 20 plus 8 is 28 plus x plus x is 2x by 2. So here in the numerator we can take the 2 outside. So if you are taking 2 outside, the remaining will be 14 plus x by 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So s value 14 plus x. So with the s value we are applying the area formula. Area is equal to root of, first s value we are getting 14 plus x, and next value s minus a, that is 14 plus x minus a value we have 14, write it, and s minus b, s value 14 plus x minus b, b is 6 plus x actually, so minus 6 minus x you will be getting, and the c value also it's coming inside the root only. Yes, s value is 14 plus x minus c, so minus 8 minus x you should write. Now let's do the simplification here. Root of 14 plus x you keep as it is. Here this plus 14 minus 14 will get cancelled. So here we have one x. Here we have plus x and minus x will get cancelled. 14 minus 6 will give you 8. Dot is representing multiplication only. Here also plus x and minus x will get cancelled. So 14 minus 8 will give you 6. So here we are getting root of 6 8s are 48 and this x value into this 14 plus x. So this is an area value. So here we are getting area value in 2 types. So here we have area of the triangle is 4 into 14 plus x. Here we are getting the area value 48x into 14 plus x. This is the first area value. This is the second area value. So here we are going to equate both the equations because both are representing area of the whole triangle only. equating 1 and 2. So the first equation 4 into 14 plus x, which is equal to root of, here we have 48x into 14 plus x we are getting. So the square root, just to bring it to this side, that will become square root. If you bring it to this side, that will become square. So here 4 into 14 plus x square we are getting, which is equal to 48x into 14 plus x, or square on both sides also you can do. Here you will be getting the square, here the square root will get cancelled. Now the square and square we are doing inside, 4 4s are 16, 14 plus x, when we are squaring we will be getting 2 times, 14 plus x, 14 plus x. Why we are writing without expanding means, this side also we are getting on 14 plus x, multiplication 14 plus x, 14 plus x will get cancelled. Now the remaining terms, so the multiplication 16 you take it to other side, that will become division. So 14 plus x is equal to 48x by 16. Now, so 16 table, this is 1 time, this is 3 time, we can cancel. The plus x you take it to other side, that will become minus x. 3x minus 1x you are getting. So 14 is equal to 2x, x is equal to 14 divided by 2, that is 7. So what is the value we are getting? X is equal to 7. So actually our aim is to find AB and AC. So AB and AC we need to find. So AB is nothing but, so here AB, look at the diagram, AB is 8 plus x, AC is 6 plus x. Let's substitute now. So AB is equal to 8 plus x, BC is equal to 6 plus x we are getting. Now x value we got 7. So 8 plus 7 is one answer. 6 plus 7 is another answer. 8 plus 7 is 15 centimeter. 6 plus 7 is 13 centimeter. That is the correct answer for the sides. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.